Wake up. Hey, hello? Chrissy, hello? Hey, Chrissy.
Chrissy.
Time to wake up, okay? Hello, can you hear me? Wake up, Chrissy. Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this, Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this, Chrissy, wake up! Hey, hello? Time to wake up, time to wake up. Can you hear me? Wake up, Chrissy. I don't like this, Chrissy, wake up!
Didn't mean to scare you. You okay? Give me the word, I'll just walk away.
Do you ever feel like you're losing your mind?
On a daily basis.
All the time.
Chrissy.
So maybe not really Chrissy, but considering she's a character rather than an actual person, I hope you can forgive me. Onto the pretty before blood makeup, the pre-blood makeup. I'm doing this simply by starting off with my regular brow routine, quickly doing the other one off camera, and the eyes, which I also did one off camera just to see what I was actually doing. But I will be going in with a white base to start, in a color to match my skin tone into the crease and blending that out. Following a seafoam green over top of my lid. Once I've got that fully blended, I'm coming in with a lid lingerie in as close to the same color as I can and blending that out with my finger to use the warmth as a little bit of a tool here. Using a black liner just slightly above my lash line. And finally adding in some mascara, more to the top lashes but also to the bottom. For my lips though, she goes real natural, so I'm using a My Lip Better color. And I did do a contour on my face a bit, though you can't really see it much, but I gave my nose a little bit of an appearance of being smaller. I was having a day and a half with my skin, so I covered a few blemishes, as Chrissy somehow has entirely perfect skin. But seeing as what's happened to her, I think I'll forgive her for that. And then I added a very coral blush. Lastly though, it's not makeup, but I am adding faux bangs. Not the most real looking, but they serve their purpose for this tutorial. Maybe in the future as well. Adding to the background, a funny story actually, this clock was sourced for another project, and as I was trying to remove what I thought was an acrylic face, I suppose, not the face of the clock, but it's just above that to protect it, I soon realized when I tried to push it out that it was actually glass as it broke into my hands. Don't try this at home, kids, but as soon as I took my hand away, I realized it would work fairly well for the background of Chrissy, so I kept it until I did this. Definitely cleaned up the glass that was on the ground, but Anyways, I digress. On to the fake blood portion. There's no real way to tell you how to apply fake blood, especially in this kind of circumstance. Besides basically just telling you that I used a Q-tip to start, but I made sure that some of the blood was quote-unquote dripping up, seeing as how she's dying technically on the inside because it's her soul, but it's in the upside down. So some of the blood's going to be running upside down. I was just following a gruesome photo of her to a T basically, but you guys can definitely Google it. I always recommend using a reference photo. But that is it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Happy Halloween!